I like drawing pigeons. People tend to feed them or forbid them. Either way, it's rare to see them individually considered. There's always like a million eating cigarettes and ketchup. I take a lot of pictures. I've been cropping out the extras. I've been studying the independent measurements and metrics. The postures and the body types, the patterns on their feathers, like some ritualistic tattoo dating back to their ancestors, while the bib and neck come dipped in precious amethyst and emeralds. It's a pity about the stigmas, how the cooties overshadow any beauty that enrich us. A white dove symbolizes peace and pacifism. A white dove is a pigeon. You motherfuckers is bigots, yo. 3 toes forward, 1 toe ain't. 1 a.m. sketching muscles on a plump little frame. Plus I love your pretty orange eyes and dumb little brain. I'll add an nimbus to atone for how we sullied the name. Yeah.
Yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup.
Phone, wallet, coffee, keys later. I'm headed for the beyond, I'ma need a ceasefire.
Yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup.
Lighter, keys, coffee, wallet, phone. The whole street is lava, the beyond is not a goat. I seen this one Da Vinci exhibit in which they reconstructed dozens of machines he invented, from diagrams in his codex open and beautifully scanned. Marvels of engineering broke up by Vitruvian man. Margin exploding with the future like it grew from his hand. Plus every annotation backwards, homie, who is this man? I bet his brain projected images of orbiting equations that would later become warships or attempts at aviation, or some irrigation system steering water different places he could picture and commit to paper from a grip of angles. Honestly, it's pretty overwhelming. Contraption after contraption that had us holy helling. Later in the afterglow, grab a tablet, have a go. I might invent some vehicle, a diving suit or catapulter. Fast forward to the morning, I had caught 1,000 tags and drew a half a pigeon poorly, oh well.
Yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup.
Phone, wallet, coffee, keys, lighter. I'm headed for the beyond, I'ma need a ceasefire.
Yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup, yep, yup.
Lighter, keys, coffee, wallet, phone. The whole street is lava, the beyond is not a goat. And was feeling like it could be the root of future submissions. It'd be cool to draw 1,000 and lay out a book of sketches. He said, how many you got? I said like 6 or 7. What? He said 1,000 is a lot. I said that's why it's gotta be an actual 1,000 on the dot. I hit him with that 1,000 to make up for what they not. Once you mix that many bodies, it becomes about the flock. He told me if you do it, it's a cruise to manufacture. I took it as a challenge, but regretted it soon after. See, the point was always celebrate the individual vessel. That I pitched a package deal at all is pretty disrespectful. Plus 1,000 is a lot. Sometimes I get excited before really sizing up the job. I think I drew like 1 more on a red eye and a queen's. I ain't even make a dozen, I've been eyeing other things. Withered by the watering hole, water patrol, water we the heart, how could be art? Suddenly, not enough young and as long for the water wing, colorfully vulgar poacher at a mulch like I'm a put a post at a soldier and bolt. Sign of the time we elapse when a primate climb up a spine and attach. Eye for an eye, but a bug like swamps and vines to get a rise out of frogs and flies. So when a dog fights hog-tied prize, sort of cost the life. The mouse water on a fork and knife, and the allure isn't right. No score on a war-torn beach where the cash cows actually beef. Blood turns wine when a leak for police like that's not a riot, it's a feast. And I will remember your name and face on the day you were judged by the funhouse cast. And I will rejoice in your fall from grace when it came to the sky like none shall pass. None shall pass. None shall pass. If you never had a day of snow cone, couldn't fix, you wouldn't relate to the rowboat, caught a blitz, how we spoke to a no-dose, motor on the fritz, cause he wouldn't play a role or fetch like a press, no regrets, though he isn't where the homeowners to the jokers who posed by the glitz. sword while avoiding the violent bazaar that is violence and war. True blue triumph is more like weight. Let it snake up out of the centerfold. Let it break the walls of Jericho. Where'd he go? Sat where the old cardboard city folks swap tails with heads like every other penny.
And I will remember your name and face on the day you were judged by the funhouse cast. And I will rejoice in your fall from grace when it came to the sky like
None shall pass. None shall pass. None shall pass.
Tried to trick you. You've got a lot of nerve. I'm not trying to trick you. I'm trying to help.
Okay, woke to a grocery list. Goes like this: duty and death. Anyone object, come stand in the way. You could be my little Snake River Canyon today. And I ran with a chain of commands and a jetpack strap with a backstab lands if I can. Sign of the vibe in the crowd. When I cut a belly open to find what climb out. What a bit of gusto we must erupt to make a dark horse rush like enough's enough. It must have struck a nerve so they huff and puff. The Lord of Kings men flustering. And it's a beautiful thing. To my people who keep an impressive wingspan, even when the cubicle shrink, you gotta pull up the intruder by the root of the weed and march you through the machine.
And I will remember your name and face on the day you were judged by the funhouse cast. And I will rejoice in your fall from grace when it came to the sky like
None shall pass. None shall pass. None shall pass.
I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help.
Peace, peace, peace. I'm on that. Keep the light meter guessing. The dreaded French exit for the sightseeing lensman. Boulder and a seesaw, T-3, two-piece, y'all. Master of the sea and the heavens. I'm Pinoy, traffic beeping and a key in my penance. Even the wind in the willow ask, what's the frequency, Kenneth? Tune in, how's my driving? Drivers start dialing. I drive like a man who dies trying. Here's salt of the earth, all seers. Read palms through ×3 Walgreens readers. Drawstring eaters, no stab to memo, no caps to flag. Just you and the black echo. See if it says hello back. If it says hello first, hit him with the Cheshire Cat. This ain't a circle to a checkered flag. It's people keen to murder for a level map. Deep market buzzing by what used to be McDonald's. The currency is crystalline, deconstructed elantras. Anonymous warning shots of the modern attention shoppers. The stopping defensive honors, the belly flopping piranhas money. Get to the chopper money, on your way adopt a puppy. I'm on that proper dummy, it's getting Tonka trucky. Yup, you on that curfew, I'm on that late night. You on that church pew.
I'm on that Bauhaus, I'm on that brutalist. I'm on that OG, you on that new to this. I'm on that Matador, I'm on that bullfight. You on that bullshit, I'm on that dirt bike. I'm on that 12 o'clock, you on that road rash. You on that credit line, I'm on that cold cash. You made the stock crash, I took that stock up. You on that pitfall, I'm on that good luck.
I'm on that Mobius, I'm on that minor threat. I'm on that fine piece, you on that fine meth. I'm on that insects trilling, dandelion stem in his fist with the head missing. Into the mess willing.
When I was 17, I was on that doomsday, hiding from the outside, buried in that loose leaf. You was on that loose lips, I was on that ruthless. You was on that useless, I was on that truth, bitch.
You was on that glue trap, I was on that booze nits. I was on that blueprint, you was on that group thing. You was on that hoodwink, I was on that blue chip. Honey in a goose down, chewing on a toothpick. I was on that ooh child, I was on that noodle brick. I was on that Brooklyn bound, hooks around a Notre Dame. You was on that two bit, I was on that two towers. I was on that juice crew, I was on that who's house. I could do this all night. Outside of your own lackeys, you was common as a table for one in the Lonesome Valley. The mean mugging seems tough until a real someone come and decorate your gate with a pelt that means something to ya. Local time, sudden death overtime. Sold his 10-foot pole is full to ride the poltergeist cold. I'm on that party crash, you on that guard the gate. I'm on that garlic mash.
I'm on that Bauhaus, I'm on that brutalist. I'm on that OG, you on that new to this. I'm on that Matador, I'm on that bullfight. You on that bullshit, I'm on that dirt bike. I'm on that 12 o'clock, you on that road rash. You on that credit line, I'm on that cold cash. You made the stock crash, I took that stock up. You on that pitfall, I'm on that good luck.
I'm on that